Good day everyone, I'm Alvin Silitalia. In this video, I will perform geometric development with the code MPM05037 using a square to round triangulation with a given dimension of 120 by 120 mm square, 70 mm diameter of a circle, and height of 100 mm. Okay, let's start. First, we need to make a square first of 120 mm. But before anything else, we put first every point a label A, B, C, and D. To get the center, we need to measure here the 60 millimeter. Here, here, and here, and connect it to each other. Once you have the center, we will put the 70 diameter circle. Okay. The next step is we need to divide the quarter in 5 segments. Get the radius and transfer here. Here and here. And here. And get first the center, the first line here to get this point, and another line here and here. To get this point and this point, and we will connect it into point A. We will also do this in this part or in this quarter. Here, here, then connect first the center. I have another point. Get this again, and short, little bit short. Connect again the points into point C. This point also mark it with a number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The next step is to put a line here to identify the height. The height is only 100 millimeter. We will use the compass to determine the height of the circle, this square to round. This is point and transfer here. Point number 4 and 2 is the same. Put it here. Point number 5 and 1 is here. So we need to connect here at the height. Okay. So this point is number 3. Here is point 2 and 4. This and this as well is 1 and 5. Okay. So we will make the projection or the views of point C and D. So put 120 here, the sides of the circle and the square. 120. Then mark here to make it triangle. And connect. Once you have the triangle, you can get the size or distance of the every segments at the top. So first, need to get the 1 and 2 distance here and put it here. And you also put in the other side. Put it in the other side and get the distance between 1 here and also put it here and here. Get the point and transfer it here and here. Get the measurement of 2 and 3 and transfer it here. Measurement to label this first. 1, 2, and 3. This stands between 3. Number 3. So also get point number 2 and 4 because it's the same. And put it here and here, the other side. Get the distance between 1 and 2 and put it here and in the other side. And connect point here to C, point C, point here to D. Next, get the point 2 and 3, 2 and 3 and transfer here and here. Get the distance between this point and point 3 and transfer here. Transfer here. Connect point 3 to D, point 3 to C. Then Get also the point number distance between 3 and 4. And transfer it. And in the other side. Get the distance of this one. And transfer here. And the other side. Connect point 4 to point C. Point 4 to D. Get the distance here, 4 and 5. Transfer here also. Here, the other side. And measure the distance here. A little bit short. And connect. Connect the segments. And if you want to also to get the point C and B, you need to measure 120 here. Transfer here the 120 dimension and the other side. And connect to point C, and this will be connect to D. Get the half of the diameter and connect it into point right here and here. So before that, we need to label these segments to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this side or this view will be the D to B and C to A. Is the output or overcome or so if you want to complete the full layout, you need to do the same thing that I did in point C to D and A to C. So this is the final layout of half of a round, square to round triangulation. So once again, this is Alvin Sinitaria. Thank you.